Hi guys, so I got a request. Somebody inboxed me and asked me to just do a quick video and explaining how I do my cabbage because they would have eat it just the way it looks. Alright, so first I boil my saltfish and pick it up, and then I cut up all my season with the carrot, scallion, thyme, onion, and a peg of garlic. That's the cabbage. And the bell pepper, I cut that up too, as you can see. So I stir fry my saltfish. I didn't want too much saltfish in it. I just want the flavor in the cabbage. So I make it crunchy because I kind of stir fried it for a minute. The saltfish to get it crunchy, and then I add the seasoning. Then I add the bell pepper. I stir fry that for like a minute and a half, and then I add the cabbage with a little black pepper and Maggi all-purpose. That's what I add to the seasoning before I add the cabbage. After I add the cabbage, then I add a piece of butter in it and just stir fry it. I don't cover it. And yes, that's what I have for breakfast. I didn't eat all of that, guys. Don't come from me and say, oh, that is too much starch. You're eating too much food. I didn't eat it all, okay? If you like this video, let me know in the comment section and also give it a thumbs up. And I hope you enjoy it. Bye, guys. Mwah.